Alright guys, watch how I made over $1,000 profit today on Volatility 75 index with my new strategy. If you want to know this strategy, watch this video to the end, subscribe and join my Telegram channel. Alright guys, you're welcome back again today, and this is actually Volatility 75 index, and today I'm actually gonna show you guys how I'll be taking my today's massive profit. Although I'm actually running out of time, right? I should have been taking this trade by now. So let me take my entry already. 1, 2, 3. All right, I've already taken my entry right here. Though I didn't even take this trade on time, but I've already taken my entry. So I'm actually gonna show you guys the strategy that I use, and I'm actually gonna show you guys the reason why I took this trade on buy right here on Volatility 75 index. So if you're actually coming across this video for the first time as a forex beginner, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go to the video description and join my Telegram channel for free trading signals, account management and mentorship. All right, this is actually my Telegram channel right here. As you can see that this is actually my Telegram channel, and I'm actually sharing free trading signals. I share free trading signals daily. As you can see, this was actually the signal that I shared yesterday, and this is also the massive profit that I made through the signal from $342 account to $1,050 profit. As you can see, my signals are actually accurate. So if you want to come for management, I do account management right here on my Telegram channel. I do account management. I also do mentorship programs, and I share signals. So if you want to come for management, you're actually having losses, you're on loss, you're running on big loss, kindly message me. I'm actually gonna help you make massive profit, recover all your losses, and you're gonna be appreciative. So let's go back to our trade, so you can actually see how this trade is actually going. Like I told you guys that I actually have a best strategies of this forex. This is actually my best strategy of taking trade, but I didn't actually take this trade on time. If I had taken this trade on time, I would have been on massive profit. So there was something I told you guys about my strategy the last time. I usually tell you guys that when a market sells, because this is actually a scalping, when a market sells massively, I usually take it on buy, and whenever I bought massively, I usually take it on sell. And these strategies have been working for me for months now. I discovered this strategy a few months back, and it has been working perfectly for me, and I've been making massive profit through this strategy that I use. So if you haven't tried it out already, make sure you try it out. Use my referral link on my Telegram channel to join on XNES, register on XNES, and fund your account so you can actually start trading with your account. So this is a best strategy that works perfectly for me. As you can see that I would have been on massive profit if I had taken, because this was actually the point I would have taken my trade on this point. I would have taken my trade on this point, but you can actually see that this trade went up. I didn't meet it on time, although I've already analyzed it and I knew that this market was actually gonna sell massively, buy massively, sorry. So this is actually how I analyze this market. As you can see that this market is actually on a uptrend. You can actually see it. So watching at 1 day time frame, you can actually see that 1 day time frame is actually buying, and 1 hour time frame, you can actually see that it have already sold massively, then it started reversing. So that was the reason I took this trade on buy. You can actually see it on 15-minute time frame also, that it sold massively and started reversing. So that's the reason why I took this trade on buy. So you can actually see that you're actually running on $200 profit on this $1,000 account already. Like I told you guys, that this is actually the best strategy that works perfectly for me. So you should try it out and tell me what you think about it. You should actually try this strategy out. Although I missed a huge snipe right here. Like I told you guys that I would have been actually closing with more than $1,000 profit, profit from this point to this point. I would have actually closed with more than $1,000 profit, but because I didn't meet it on time, so that's why I'm actually running on small dollar profit already on this trade. Can you see how this strategy is actually working? This strategy works perfectly fine. So I would advise you guys to try it out. If you see a market that sells, you see that the sales has actually it has actually sold massively. Always try to take it on buy, try to risk it. It works 80%. It's 80% works perfectly. So you can actually see our trade that we're actually running on $400 profit already on this trade. You can actually attest to that this strategy is actually a perfect one. This strategy is actually a big perfect strategy that works 100%. So all you need to do is actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, go to my video description, join my Telegram channel for free trading signals, account management and mentorship. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm actually gonna wait a bit so I can actually close, because I'm actually scalping. That's why this trade is not taking much of our time. I'm actually scalping. I'm actually using a big lot size on this trade. This is actually 0.5. I'm actually using 0.5 on this trade. So as you can see, it's actually scalping. I'm actually scalping this trade. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for free trading signals, account management and mentorship. Don't forget to subscribe. So you can actually attest to this market is actually gonna buy. It will definitely buy massively. It will buy to this point, but we're actually gonna close before it gets to that point because we are scalping. So if it makes move and reach up to this position or this position, we're actually gonna close our market. But you can actually see that it has already tried to retest, and it's actually wanna confuse us. But this is actually a scale point in trade. So whenever it's making these scale points, don't be forced to close, don't be confused, allow your trade to run. All you need to do is analyze your market very well. Before you take a trade, so you don't make mistakes. Don't take a trade because you see a sell. You see that the market is actually sniping down or sniping up. You see that the market is selling massive, and you go to place a sell. Okay, checking at this. Okay, maybe this market, when this market was selling, and you saw that the market was selling. If you are taking this market on sell here, it would have reversed and blown your accounts right here. You can actually see that the market reversed. It was actually selling massively before it reversed. So that's it. So the market can be actually manipulated sometimes. Sometimes you can actually still place your trade on sell right here, and it will come down a bit before it reverses. It will give you small profit before it reverses. So that's how the forex market works. You can actually see that the market came down, but you're actually gonna see that the market is still gonna reverse and go up massively. So I'm actually gonna come back and show you guys how this trade went. Alright guys, can you actually see this with your eyes? That this market has already gone up massively, like I told you guys, and we are currently running on $1,300 profit already. Like I told you guys that this trade was actually gonna come back and go up massively. Like I told you guys, can you see how this trade is actually running? Can you see that we are actually running on massive profit with this strategy, this best strategy that I told you guys about? I told you guys that this trade was actually gonna got up to these points, like I told you guys, and you can actually attest to that it's actually going on our own direction like this. You can actually see with your eyes that we are making massive profit on this volatility 75 index with this strategy that I gave. So message me on my Telegram channel. I'm actually gonna help you make massive profit on your trade, actually gonna help you become a successful trader that you've always wanted to become. So message me now, join my Telegram channel from the my description on YouTube. Join my Telegram channel for free trading signals, account management and mentorship. Take care guys.